Mnangagwa condemned the attack on Trump, but stayed silent on local violence. In a recent turn of events, President Emerson Mnangagwa condemned an attack on former US President Donald Trump, calling it a cowardly act in a letter to President Joe Biden. But what about the violence closer to home? Lawyer Thabani Mhepo has criticized Mnangagwa for his international stance, while allegedly ignoring local incidents of violence. Notably, the tragic killing of Mbongeni in Cuba at a CCC rally in 2023. This contrast has sparked outrage among Zimbabweans, questioning why their president is vocal about overseas issues, but remains silent on domestic tragedies. Is Mnangagwa turning a blind eye to the violence in his own country? As the debate continues, Zimbabweans are left to wonder, where do the president's priorities truly lie? Stay informed, stay critical,